Honestly speaking, it means nothing to me. It's not gonna put me up there. I've been there, done that, you know. It's more, the pressure is more on him, you know, to prove himself, you know, to a real fighter, because he hasn't like really fought like, you know, good fighters. You know, he fought a guy that's a good friend of mine in Chifunga Manya. He fought also McBootsinyabi, you know. I give him that for warning against them. We're not all the same. I'm Malcolm, they, them, I'm myself. So this is a test, and it's a very hard test for him, because I'm not an easy fighter. Not what happened in Russia, because I got stopped to the body. That was my first time ever in 45 fights that I got stopped ever. That was a clear win. That was a clear win. I'm not gonna give it away. I'm not gonna make any excuses about that fight. It happened. It happened. I've stopped many guys in my days, and in my career, and good guys. So the test is on him. You know what? I think Azinga made the biggest mistake of going to Joburg. He should have stayed home. What did they say? Buela Kaya. He must come back home. Then he won't make it. He mustn't go to Joburg. This is where everything started for him. You understand what I'm saying? I never hunt for knockouts. If they come, they come. I just hope, you know, it's gonna be fair. You know, I just hope it's gonna be fair, because I mean, this is the mecca of boxing, but we want to see fairness also. You know, I remember when I fought Paulus Moses, I asked the same thing. I asked for neutral judges, you know, a neutral referee, because whatever they used was always from Namibia. So I just hope here, if it is the people are from here, I just hope they, you know, they fair, you know, because that kills boxing. For fighters to win and then they make fighters lose.